Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2012 government past question. Question number 20 says an intra-party activity for the selection of candidates for elective position is known as dash. And intra-party activities for the selection of candidates for elective positions is known as dash. When we talk of intra-party activity, it simply means the elective process within the same political party. So that is what. So that what is the name given to such elective principle? Option A say primary election, B say general election, C say midterm election, D say by-election. So election that takes place within the same political party is known as primary election. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.